Hello, crafty folks. So today is the 5th of January, 2022, and this is my journal entry for today. So I just wanted to sort of show you guys how I did this. This is an iPad Pro. I have a super old iPad Pro that can do this program. It's called Procreate. I wanted to, instead of just doing my journal entry today, I wanted to do a little bit of a tutorial on Procreate. So if you can get access to an iPad Pro or an iPhone even, you can get this program. It's called Procreate, and it looks like this. So you click on Procreate, and I'm going to show you how I made this. Okay, so I'm going to open up a new piece of art here. So I'm going to go to this plus button, click on the one that says paper. All right, so we've got a new canvas here. So I'm going to click this button up here for the layers, and as you can see, there's a bunch of options here. I'm going to rename this one. Click rename and pull up the keyboard here, and I'm going to name this one photo. Good. So now I'm going to go up here to my little wrench, insert that photo, and put it in. This is just a photo that I grabbed off of Google. And since I did not take this photo, I do not own this photo. So I will not be selling any of the art or journal entry stuff that I do with this photo. Okay, so I'm just going to position that where I want it. So that looks pretty good to me. Now I'm going to go to this layer, and I'm going to click on the little N right here, which means normal, and I'm going to turn the opacity down. So that'll make it so I can still see the photo, but I'll be able to see my drawing and such much more distinctly on top of the photo. Okay, so now I'm going to pick a brush. The brush that I used on the other journal entry that I showed you was monoline, and I'm just going to go through, I think it is, here we go. So it's in the calligraphy section, and it's called monoline. So now the next important step is to go up to these little, it looks like a box in a box, and push the plus sign. So all of the outlining I'm going to do on this next layer. So I'm going to rename it outline. All right, so now I'm going to take my monoline, and I'm going to grab a color, and I'm going to grab like a dark gray here, and I'm just going to start outlining it. Now some of the parts of the outline are a little obscured by those clouds, so I'm just going to make it up, basically. So there's my first little chunk here, and then I'm going to go back in, and I'm just going to start sort of getting the outline from these little sections here that I see, and it doesn't have to be exact. I do want I want the lines to touch here so that it creates a distinct shape, because later when I go to fill the color in, I want the color to stay only in this one box. So if I have lines that don't exactly touch, I'm going to want to clean those up, definitely. So for today, I'm going to leave it at that on showing you guys how to do this outline. So then you can go through the entire picture and fill out those outline spots. And then tomorrow I will do a little tutorial that shows you how to fill them all in with color. So this is just a fun way to make a little bit of art. We're doing art every single day, whether it's digital art or watercolor or whatever kind of art you like to do. So if you want more Procreate tutorials, or if anything I did was a little too fast, just let me know in the comments and I will make a video clarifying anything for you. If you like this video or you want to follow along with this art journal that we're doing every day, then click the subscribe button and I will see you guys tomorrow. Okay, thanks. Bye.